We have discussed comparison of the numbers, how to find the greatest and smallest numbers along with symbols. Now today's our topic is ascending order or increasing order. See the definition of ascending order or increasing order. When we arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest, they are in ascending order or increasing order. When we have to arrange the numbers from small to big, it is called as ascending order or increasing order. Ascending order అన్న ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అన్న ఒకటే. ఓకేనా? మనం నెంబర్లని చిన్న నుంచి పెద్ద దాకా రాయడాన్ని ఆరోహణ క్రమము అంటారు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ascending order or increasing order. In our daily life we see some examples. Seed become plant, seed become sprout, sprout become plant, plant become tree. Like that your CAs, your classes, and when you are going to upstairs. These are the examples of ascending order from small to big. See here examples of the numbers. Arrange the given numbers in the ascending order or increasing order. When you arrange the numbers in the ascending order, always you check the smallest number among the group of the numbers. Okay, then after from the remaining numbers again you check the smallest number. Like that always you check the smallest number among the group of the numbers to arrange the ascending order. See, arrange the numbers in ascending order. First you write ascending order. How to write? You have to check the smallest number among these four numbers. 4, 2, 0, 3. What is the smallest number? 0. So make a round 0. Write here 0. Then next three numbers are left. Among these three numbers, you find the smallest number. What is the smallest number? 2. Make a round to 2. Write here 2. Write off 0. Then remaining two numbers. What are they? 4 and 3. Which is the smallest number? You know very well. 3 is the smallest number. Write 3. Write off 2. Then what is the last number? 4. Write here 4 at last. It is the ascending order from small to big. 0, 2, 3, 4. One more example you see. 7, 5, 3, 9. These are the given numbers. You arrange them in ascending order. To arrange the numbers in ascending order, first of all you have to check smallest number. Every time you should check the smallest number among the group of the numbers. In these numbers, which is the smallest? You know very well. 3 is the smallest number. Write here 3. Okay, make a round to 3. Write here 3. Then remaining 7, 5, 9. From these numbers, again you check the smallest number. 5 is the smallest number. Yes, make a round to 5. Write here 5. Write off 3. Again two numbers are left. 7 and 9. From these two numbers, again you check the smallest number. 7. Make a round to 7. Write here 7. Then last number is 9. You write here 9. It is the ascending order of the given numbers. 3, 5, 7 and 9. One more example you see. 1, 6, 9, 5 is given. Arrange them in ascending order. To write the numbers in ascending order, always you check the smallest number. What is the smallest number in this? You know very well now. 1. Make a round to 1. Write here 1 in ascending order. Then from the remaining three numbers, you should find the smallest number. What is the smallest number? 5. Make a round to 5. Write 5. Write off 1. Okay. How many numbers are left? 2. 6 and 9. Among these two, again you find the smallest number. What is the smallest number? 6. Make a round to 6. And write 6, write off 5. Then last number is 9. You should write 9 here at last. It is the ascending order of the given numbers. Now, arrange the given numbers in ascending order or increasing order. Here observe them. These are the two-digit numbers. Yes. To find the smallest number from the two-digit numbers, always you check the tens place digit. Two-digit numbers have two places. They are ones and tens. Here see 7 tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 1. Here tens place digit 2. In this number tens place digit is 4. Which is the smallest digit from the tens place? 7, 1, 2, 4. Which is the smallest? 18. To arrange the numbers in ascending order, first you find the smallest number. 18. Okay. 18. Make a round to 18. Write here 18. Then you check the smallest number among three numbers. 7, 2, 4. Which is the smallest digit from the tens place digit numbers? 2. So make a round 21. You write here 21 after 18. Then remaining two numbers are there. What are they? 75 and 42. Okay, what is the tens plus digits are here? 7 and 4. Which is the smallest number? 7 or 4? 4. Make it round to 42. Then write here after 21, 42. Then last number is 75. Right here 75. It is the ascending order of the given numbers. One more example you see here 22, 39 and 4, 37 is given. See here, it is 2-digit number. It is also 2-digit number. It is 1-digit number. Already we discussed from the comparison of the numbers. 1-digit number is always less than the 2-digit numbers. So we find it is the smallest number. Yes. 4 you write first. Then remaining 3 numbers have 2-digit numbers. Find the smallest number from the tens plus digit. Here 2. Here 3, here 3, which is the smallest digit 2. So make a round to 22, write here 22, write off 4. Again next two numbers 39 and 37. Yes, here tens plus digit 3, here also 3, both are same. So we can't say it is the smallest, it is the biggest. Go and check ones plus digits. Here 9, here 7. What is the smallest digit? 7. So make a round to 37, write here 37. Then last number is 39, you write here 39. Go for the third example of C1, 92, 37, 70, 24. Again you check the tens plus digit to find the smallest number. What is the tens plus digit? Here 9, here 3, here 7, here 2. We have to arrange them ascending order. So you have to find the smallest number. 2 is the smallest number. Make a round to 24. Write here 24. Then again you find the smallest digit from the tens place. 9, 3, 7. Okay, 3 is the smallest digit. So make a round to 37. Write here 37. Again 9, 7. 7 is the smallest digit. So make a round for 70. Write here 70. Then last is 92. Then arrange the numbers in the ascending order or increasing order. See here, these are the 3-digit numbers. From the 3-digit numbers, you have to find the smallest number from which place? Hundreds place. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. Here 7. Here 9. Here 2. Here 3. What is the smallest digit? 2. So make a round to 207. Write here 207. Then remaining 3 numbers. Again you find the smallest number. 7, 9, 3. What is the smallest digit? 3. So make a round to 334. You write here 334. Again remaining 3 numbers. Again you find the smallest digit from the hundreds place. Here 7, 9. Which is the smallest? 7, 724. You write here. Then last number is 930. It is the ascending order of the given numbers. Again one more example. 884, 837, 36 and 911 is given. Already we discussed here. It is the 2-digit number. Remaining all are 3-digit numbers. Already we discussed 2-digit number is always less than the 3-digit number. So already we find the smallest number. Here you write 36 smallest number. From remaining 3 numbers, again you find the smallest number. See hundreds plus digit here 8. Here also 8. Here 9. What is the smallest digit? 8. But 2 8s are there in hundreds place, both are same. So you have to check next place digit, that is here 8 and here 3. What is the smallest digit? 3. So 837 is smallest number. We write here 837. Then 884, 911. Here hundreds plus digit 8, here 9. So 8 is the smallest digit. 884 is smallest number. You write here. Then remaining number is 911. It is the ascending order of the 3-digit numbers. Again you check 788, 342, 368, 492. Again you find the smallest digit from the hundreds place. 7, 3, 3, 4. Here 2 digits are same. Go and check next place digit. 4, 6. Which is the smallest? 4. So make a round to 342. Right here 342. Again smallest digit 3. Then 368 smallest number. Make a round to 368 right here. Then smallest number is 492 right here. Then last number is 788. It is the ascending order to arrange the smallest to biggest. Here try this on your own for the ascending order. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.